Moshir Caravanserai was built during Qajar era in 19th century and served as a hub for trade and commerce along the Silk Road. The Caravanserai is a rectangular-shaped building with a large central courtyard surrounded by a series of rooms and chambers. The exterior of the building is made of brick and stone, with ornate arches and intricate tilework reflecting the architectural style of the Qajar period. Today, Saraye Moshir is a traditional bazaar in Shiraz. It was founded more than 250 years ago under the order of Government General of Fars province in Shiraz named Mirza Abol Hassan Moshir-ol-Molk. It was made as bazaar in the first days of its establishment. In some days, this place was used as a museum and also as a traditional restaurant and tea serving center. Many thanks for watching this video. My name is Fatemeh, English and French tour leader in Iran. If you are interested in Iran's tourist attractions, please subscribe on my channel and turn on the notification. Every single Friday and Tuesday, we have a new tourist attraction to discover together. If you are interested in traveling Iran and need any rate or package, send me an email.